Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Zach and today we are doing something very different. If you've been to my channel before, you know that I do mainly like drawing speed paints. So this is very different. First time recording, hello. And yeah, today I wanted to walk you through what's going on in the background. I also have more girls here. A clear view of these dolls over here. Sorry for the bad lighting. But yeah, today I wanted to do a full reorganization of these girls. You see some Monster High there, see some Bratz here, and the rest is all Rainbow High and Shadow High, and they are out of order, and that makes me upset. So let's get into it. Now, I haven't actually counted how many Rainbow High dolls I do have, so maybe this is a good time to do that. It's a little wild right now. I love this shelf, even though Draculaura is, dead on arrival. I love them so much. I can't wait for the new core dolls to come out. I might as well do a room tour right now. These are the other dolls that I'm gonna put up. There's two girls over here. They're my desk dolls. These two are my desk dolls, Sunny and Luna from the new 2-pack. Gorge. And just to beef up the tour, I have these hung up on my wall over here. Still need Series 1. Can't find them in person, so I'm just gonna have to order them, I guess. And a bed full of doll stuff. Cool. I turned up the AC because it's getting severe up in here, so you're just gonna have to deal with the noise, but these are all the Shadow High Wave 1 plus the twins. And then we have First Wave plus Bella plus River plus Karma. Over here we have Maria Garcia. I just got her for 35 bucks on Walmart. There's Miss Jet Dawson hiding behind there. I had an idea that I wanted to do all the special dolls up here because I have Lily over here as well. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it, but yes, I have the Series 4 gals up here. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. I have the Costume Ball dolls, which I just got. They're beautiful. Series 2, and then we have Series 3 back there with Lily Cheng's box. Don't know what to do with that, so we're going to figure that out. We're going to ignore them for now. Same thing with them. And then we have Shadow High Series 2 plus Carla? Yeah, no, that's not your name. Dia. Plus Dia over there. So yeah, all the girls up there, beautiful. I need to get, what's her name? Priscilla. And I need to get Aiden. I also need to get Avery. No, I already have Avery right there. Ugly girl. Sorry. I have to get Ainsley. That's her name. I need to get Ainsley as well, so that's that. We have the Rainbow Vision girls, and I need to get, what is her name? What is her name? Mara. There we go. So many of them. Here are the rockers, the Rainbow Rockers, the twins, Avery, Lily, Jade. Jade should be over there, but whatever. First Wave of Maya, and Kaya, yep. Pacific Coast, love them. They're literally my favorites out of the whole collection, plus the Slumber Party girls. And yeah, that's basically all the Rainbow High dolls that I have at the moment. I believe the ones that I don't have, Roxy's another one I don't have. And I just put them all on these shelves that I hung up this week. Just a warning, drilling into brick and mortar is something that you don't want to deal with. Just letting you know now. Get some help, get some friends, go to a therapist. Alright everyone, so here's Series 1 put up on the shelf. I have room for about 4 more? Yeah, 4 more if I squeeze them in. Maybe 5 if I'm lucky. So I was thinking of putting this Amaya, Kaya, what's her name? Avery, and then maybe these two up there. So let's see how that works out. Alright everyone, not really loving how this turned out because Miss Laurel is hanging off the side over there. And plus there are too many dolls and I feel like the shelf is going to fall down. So instead, I think I'm going to let the girls breathe a little bit and I'm going to put Bella right where the twins are. So let's see how that turns out. Hi everyone, so all the stiff neck ladies are up. All I call them the stiff neck ladies because their heads don't have any mobility besides turning left and right. So there they all are. Love them. And now you see why I didn't want to do this. It's just a mess. Just unsightly. So this shelf, I'm thinking series 2. Since Bella's up there, it's just gonna be the 5 of them. So we'll find another 4 to fill in the spaces over here. Hello everyone, here is a progress shot. Don't look at that. I'm still trying to figure out who to put next to Holly and Laurel. I was thinking maybe the Rockers. Right there. But I don't know. Let's see. They came out right after them, so that only makes sense. And plus they won't fit next to the Rainbow Vision girlies, so might as well full send it, huh? I'm stressed. Alright everyone, so second shelf is done. Somehow managed to pose them how I like them. Lyric doesn't look that weird, she just... Okay, I think her head is tilted up a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, it's shelf 3, series 3, behind here. Alrighty, another check-in. I put up series 3. I'm thinking of removing this whole shelf, adding it to the trash pile, and putting series 4 down there. So, yeah, check back in when that happens. Alright, y'all, series 4 is up. I'm trying to figure out what to do with these blank spots over here, but since then I decided to prop Jet up. I'm thinking about doing something here. Let me show you. Okay everyone, update. I decided to put Lily and Jet up here with Miss Maria. And I tried out this, and I do like it, but I think that the costume ball dolls will fit better here. So let me do that really quick. Alright everyone, this is definitely a lot better. I really like how the costume ball dolls look up here. I still need to do their hair, like, at all. But I just posed them how I want to pose them. And these two are staying. And if I want to, I'll fill up this section here, but for now, I'm okay with it. This shelf, I'm thinking, there are so many dolls, oh my god. This shelf, I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. Alright, girlies, quite the update. I decided with this whole get up here, Nothing's really changed. They're not staying there, I don't think. We're gonna get back to them. But I wanted Pacific Coast down here just really to utilize this space because I don't have enough Bratsies yet. But when I do, this whole section is gonna move that way and we're gonna put the Bratsies over here. So yeah, that's what the vibe is right now. The Monster High are laying to rest tonight. Yeah, we'll see what this looks like tomorrow. Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're still here, thank you. If you had left, that's fine. But I wanted to show the updated shelves. Again, if you hear the air conditioner, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. Okay. So up here, we have the Wave 1 girlies, or Series 1 girlies. Just a little close-up at Ruby, Poppy, Sunny, Jade, Skylar, Violet, Amaya, Kaya, Avery, and Bella. Yay! They look great. Stiff neck ladies. Wave 2, Stella, Crystal, Amaya, River, Karma, the twins, Holly and Laurel Devious, and then the rockers. They look so cute. They're my favorites. Yeah. Shelf 2 looks good. And then shelf 3, I figured out how to fill the space a little bit. We have Daria, is that her name? I think so. Daria, Georgia, Cheryl. What's your Daphne? There we go. Gabriella? Is it Gabriella? I think so. Emmy, Veronica and Naomi. And I put Sunny and Luna up here, even though they're my desk dolls. I thought they looked cute next to the other twins, so we just went with it. And then we have Series 4. We have Mila, Mina, Delilah, Jewel, Coco, and Leela. And then we have my Series 5 dolls that I have so far. I call them the Project Rainbow dolls. Just don't mind that. Victoria, Michelle, Olivia, and Kim. Good stuff. And then ignore them. We have Pacific Coast, Finn Rosado, one of my favorite boys. Bella wins Best Posed Award. Yeah. Simone, Phaedra, Hallie, Margot, and Harper. I almost forgot her name. But yeah, that's the shelving. You know, not bad in my opinion. I just wanted dolls to fill up this little alcove that I have in my room. I didn't do that, but I hung up the shelves and it was a mess. So I don't suggest it, but yeah, cool. And then I finally figured out the other shelves. I'm gonna have to order another one of these since Series 6 is coming out soon with the Friends collection and Shadow High Series 3. God, there are so many dolls. But Maria takes the cake. She's beautiful. Back here I have Miss Eliza, Demi, and Lola. Lola is so beautiful. I still need to do all 3 of their hairs, but it'll be a good little project for me. And I decided to put the sleepover dolls up here with the special edition ones because they're my favorite, and also their box set special edition, I believe. Robin, most beautiful. Marisa, either one. She's beautiful too. Underrated queen, to be honest. And Brianna Dulce, beautiful. And back here we have Jet and Lily. Lily is probably the best Rainbow High doll that does exist at this moment in time. So if you find her, snatch her for a good price, because, I mean, hello. This is my favorite shelf, I think. They look really good. Then we have my little Shadow High army. Love it. You can't really see them, of course, but just for giggles. Natasha, Heather, Nicole, Ash, Luna, and Chanel are back there. And then out front we have Dia, Glitch, Miss Reina, Rex, Zoe, Monique, and Carla. Love them. And then down here with Lily Cheng's box, I'm gonna put the Rainbow Vision girlies. So Uma, Harley, and Mara is gonna come soon. I just need to find her for a good price. Out front, Minnie, Tiara, and Tessa. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. I was thinking of putting the Divas out front, but I think I like the Royal 3 out front first. Then back there we have Miss Sabrina. She's my... This is an unpopular opinion. She's my least favorite, so I put her back there. What is your name? Malene. There we go. And then Aisha. Yeah, I think they look really good. I'm really happy with how this all turned out. I don't have any other Rainbow High dolls in my room, but when I do get them, they are going up there somehow. So, yeah, I guess until then, this is the tea. This is what we're working with. And then, don't look at that. But, yeah, love that. Hee hee. Wow, what happened here? What happened here? What is this? What happened here?